Hi, in this short video I want to share with you how to write an essay using ChatGPT. It is really simple, and the basic prompt that you can use is something like this. You can say, write me an essay, make it around 500 words. You can change this to whatever amount of words you need, and you write the topic. And here I have an example topic: education should be free. This is a basic prompt that will be enough for you to generate a pretty good essay, though you can add a lot more to this to make it more unique or more precise in some ways. Another good idea is to say, write the essay as if you were, and you then enter some writer's name. I do like Jordan Peterson, and I would write his name, and then the article would have a similar style to how Jordan Peterson writes, or you can have whatever name you like. You can also say, write this essay as if you were an expert in education. Though let's leave it at Jordan Peterson and let's see what it will come up with. It is going to be a little long as it will generate our essay, but let's see what it will give us. And you can use ChatGPT in many different ways. You can, once it has generated your article, your essay, you can say that I want to regenerate the first paragraph, or the second, I want to elaborate on the first paragraph, though you will have to read through it, and then you can go and improve upon it yourself. Though once you're done with that and you have a pretty good essay that you are satisfied with, there are a couple more tools that I would recommend you to use on the essay to bulletproof it even more. So the first one is Grammarly, which is a free tool that basically that fixes all your mistakes. Now ChatGPT usually doesn't do grammatical errors, but there are different ways how you can make it sound better. So this time it only has one suggestion. In previous articles that I had generated, Grammarly had more suggestions. So basically you just go through it and you fix them. The paid version has more, and as you can see, it already is giving me suggestions from the paid version. As you can see, though you will need to have the premium version. Though the second free tool that I recommend is the Hemingway app. And again, it shows you adverbs, aim for 2 or fewer. Phrases have simpler alternatives, because ChatGPT sometimes it uses quite difficult language where you could probably use easier words, and you can go through and basically rewrite the spaces based on your liking. And once you go through this process, you will have a pretty good essay. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.